It is raining very heavily here at our house in Florida, so we decided to do some cooking inside. Today's special is the red-green fish curry from Kerala. It's very easy to make and very quick to make, and especially it is very tasty. Here are the ingredients. You could change the portions as you see fit, or the spice level as you see fit, by reducing the amount of pepper. Here I have about 2.5 pounds of red snapper cut into steaks. You could use any fish that you feel would be tasty. Here we put the grated coconut and half of a chopped onion into chunks into a blender or a food processor to be blended. Then we add the turmeric, followed by the red chili, which is powdered red chili, and then by salt as needed into the food processor. What did you have in that pan?
Nothing.
You're just heating up, no oil?
Nothing.
Nothing. So the pan was getting really hot. Stir it. Good, after it boils. Add more water. Ginger and garlic, as it start to boil. Some fresh curry leaves from the backyard. Stir well. Add some salt. Fish added. Fish and ilimbi. And you add this to the fish at the end. Until it becomes dark brown. You never try not to stir the fish curry, because you'll break the pieces. Put the fire to really low and add the sauteed mustard, curry leaves and onions. Gonna get some fresh banana leaves from our backyard.